Each bait has a natural presentation and action, scent and taste. Replaces live minnows for better durability and long-lasting results. Gulp Alive. Baits absorb up to 20% more fish attractant by weight. Gulp Alive. 1 Minnows are the perfect for tipping jigs for bluegill, crappie and perch as well as trout. These baits are also great for adding scent and attraction to lures and jigs when ice fishing. Minnows come in a 2.1 ounces, net WT, resealable jar. 1 long. Approximately 30 minnows per jar. Top reviews from the United States. Effective, plus easier to manage on a kayak versus live bait. Gulp Alive minnows are a great alternative to live minnows when fishing for crappie/bluegill and the occasional bass. I fish from a kayak and these allow me to avoid the hassle of transporting live bait. The small container doesn't leak the way my larger Gulp Alive bait buckets have. Will continue to order in this size. The attractant isn't pleasant smelling, so don't spill it in your car/boat. The minnows have been most productive for me when fished below a bobber, although I have had limited success casting and retrieving using a weighted jig head. Fish will often hit on the initial drop after the cast or in the second or two of rest after a twitch/jerk/sweep during the retrieve. I have found you need to put a little more action on these versus letting a live minnow sit below a float. Usually several fish can be caught before they start to tear apart the lure, although the larger bluegill tend to do more damage more quickly than the crappie. In terms of jig head to pair the minnow with, the best value I've found on Amazon was the South Bend unpainted jig head. I preferred the 1/32 ounce, perfect size for the 1-inch minnow. South Bend unpainted jig head, 1/32 ounce.